Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to install Node.js and create your first React application in Visual Studio Code. In order to do that, we have to check firstly, and the must, if we have installed Node.js in our computer. In order to do that, obviously we have to open the command prompt window from our computer and type the following. We're coming to command prompt window and we say node-v, which means version. And as you can see, node is not recognized as an internal or external command, operatable program or patch file. That means Node.js is not existing in our computer. In order to install Node.js, we have to go to Google and search node.js. This is the website. As you can see here, it's okay, we found it. And as we are inside nodejs.org, we have two options, which is recommended for most users and latest features. For my opinion, it's better to install Node.js, which is recommended for the most users, as the latest features may have some issues, bugs, and may not work properly in our computer. So we are going to recommend it for most users, which is the version 20.10.0 LTS. I'm clicking that, and then we are seeing open it. Yes, we say next, accept, next, yes, next, everything okay, next, install, and we're waiting the installation to complete. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please give a big thumbs up to this video in order to see more creative content like this. Thank you from now. And then as the installation is completed, we say finish, and we are checking once again if the node.js is installed in our computer. We're typing once again node-v, and then we see that we have currently the version 20.10.0, which means we are good to go. Now I'm opening my projects folder and I'm create here a new folder, and I'm gonna call it, I'm giving the name React first app. React first app. First app. Okay. I've created. Now I'm opening my VS Code and I'm choosing the React first app. I've opened it here, and then from here we have to open the terminal window by clicking Control and double quote. I open my window here, and then in order to create the app we have to type the following: npx, we're leaving a space, create dash react dash app, I'm leaving a space, and since we are in the current location of our folder, we don't have to give any specific name for this project. We are simply giving that, since we are inside our folder. If we didn't have create the specific folder in our folder structure, then you can name here the application that you want, always using lowercase letters. And after that, after the completion of creating of reactapp, you have to do the cd command in order to go to your folder application that you've created. Okay, pressing enter, and we will wait the completion of installation of our first React app. I will pause here the video, and as soon the installation has completed, I will be back. And so the installation of our first React app has complete. Everything done. We have also small notifications of updates regarding npm available. If you want that, you can install it like this. It's very simple. So let's start our first application. And saying npm start. I've typed that, pressing enter, and we're waiting our first React app to run. Let's see if everything will run fine. We're waiting. And yes, our first React app is running well and smoothly without any issue. Let's also inspect a little bit the file structure. This small welcome icon screen is coming from here. Let's delete everything, that everything is in HTML structure like this. And instead of this, I've completely deleted everything. As you can see, responding very well. Let's come back and say, for example, I want to create the header one by saying, hey, that's my first project. Save, always save before you are visualizing the React app. And you can see whatever we were editing inside the main file structure of app.js, it will appear inside the screen. So I will keep this video very simple, very basic regarding how to install Node.js and run your first React app. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you, I love you all, and I will see you very soon with my new projects. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.